In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a step line in Tradingview. First, make sure you're logged into your Tradingview account and have your chart open. In this example, we'll use BTTC/USD, but you can choose any trading pair you're interested in. Now, take a look at the upper right-hand corner of your screen. This is where you'll find the toolbar with a variety of options to customize your chart. Click on it, and you've taken the first step toward creating your step line. This toolbar is essential for modifying your view and adding different technical indicators. Now, from the drop-down menu, select the step line option. A step line will allow you to see price changes clearly and can be particularly useful for identifying trends or changes in market sentiment. As you select this, you might notice your chart changing immediately, forming what looks like steps in a staircase. This is your step line coming into play. Next, you'll want to set your preferred time frame. Let's go with an example of a 1-hour time frame. You can easily find the time frame options at the top of the chart. Choosing the right time frame depends on your trading strategy. Longer time frames like daily or weekly can be great for identifying major trends, while smaller time frames like 1 minute or 5 minutes are often used for day trading. After adjusting your time frame, take a close look at the chart. You should clearly see the changes in the chart with your step line format. This gives a unique view of the data that might not be as obvious in other chart types, such as line charts or candlestick charts. Look at the lower trend and then the upper trend, observing how the price steps up and down. Once you've familiarized yourself with these changes, we can delve into further customization. Click on the Settings option, again located on the upper toolbar. Here, you'll find all sorts of options to refine your chart. For instance, click on the price source to choose how your price is represented on the step line. It could be set to close, open, high, or low prices, depending on what you find informative. You may want to change the color of your step line for better visibility. Do this by selecting the color option in the settings menu. Now, let's move on to customizing the chart's appearance further. Click on the status line, then proceed to scales and lines, and finally canvas. Each of these sections allows further adjustments to how your data is presented. You can also make some advanced customizations by clicking on sections like trading, alerts, and events. These options help you to configure what information is displayed directly on your chart and can alert you to specific market conditions. To wrap things up, click OK to apply all your changes. Take a moment to do a final review of your chart. Notice how the step line provides a distinctive way to visualize price action, which can be a valuable tool for traders looking to make informed decisions. That's it. You've now mastered creating a step line on Tradingview.